What is up you guys? Dr. Momentum here, and right now meron na naman tayong panibagong video. Ang pag-uusapan natin si BTC. So ayon sa news dito, cryptocurrencies rise to start the week. Bitcoin jumps above $102,000. Okay, sabi dito, ang highlight lang dito na gusto kong nabasa is overall we are in a bullish environment and traders appear to be risk on. Yes, as we head into the new year. Sabi ni Marco Jurina, CEO at CryptoSwaps platform Jumper.exchange. With Trump's election set to be certified today and the January often being a bullish month, 6 of the past 10 years saw positive price action. It's no wonder markets are moving up. Okay, so yun yung current news natin sa ngayon, and then right now i-check natin kung ano ba ang ginagawa ni BTC. So tapos na tayo sa fundamentals, dun tayo sa technicals. So okay, nandito tayo sa technicals ni BTC. Ano ba ang ginagawa ni BTC? Para sa mga bago, nag-breakout yan si BTC around 73,000 level, and then nag-confirm yung ating bull market dito sa area na yan. And right now, if I will zoom in, tayo ay nagtitrade above 100k level. Okay, saan ang resistance, Doc? Ang top resistance would be 108k. Bali, gagawin ko na lang area yan kasi hindi ko maklik ng exact dahil mabilisan ang video natin. And then, ang support natin would be 90,000. Okay, again, I would repeat, it's a level. Okay, hindi yan absolute value. So, tingnan natin yung Fibonacci ni BTC, kung saan na yan, kung paano ko mag-plot ng Fibonacci, guys. I would plot first on the swing low, so in the lowest, and then to swing high. Okay, may natutunan kayong bago from swing low to swing high. So saan na ba si BTC ngayon? BTC is trading above 0.236 level. So tip natin for the day is kapag trending ang market, magandang mag-retrace ang isang coin o isang stock sa 236 o sa 382. Ayaw natin yung bumabalik sa 0.5 because it shows that it is neutral o medyo mabagal yung trend. Pero ano ang ginawa ni BTC? Nag-bounce siya sa 382 and then now it's trading above 236 level. So what indicates dyan, Doc? Ano ang ini-indicate nyan? It indicates faster trend para kay BTC. Actually, ayoko ngang maging fast trend dyan si BTC dahil gusto kong enjoyin yung bull market natin. Kasi pag fast trend, baka mabilis ding bumaba. Pero in this case, maganda naman yung consolidation niya. That is, I think, 2 weeks or 3 weeks of consolidation, and then right now it broke above 0.236 level, which is so bullish for us traders. Okay, so kahapon sabi natin, okay, pag ang coin ay umaakyat, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So pag ang coin ay umaakyat ng tuloy-tuloy, kailangan ding magpahinga niyan. Okay, so hindi pwedeng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ibibreak nyo na yan. Dapat lang na red tayo ngayon as expected. Okay, so hindi ko na-upload to pero ni-record ko to. So ito yung video niyan. Resistance dyan, ang tinitingnan nating resistance dyan is syempre 100k level. Okay? So take note, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days up na si BTC. So Doc, ano ba ang personal analysis mo kay BTC? Ang gusto ko mangyari diyan kay BTC, 7 days ka nang up, medyo pagod ka na, pahinga ka sa 0.38 level bago mo i-bridge siyang 100k. Okay? Gusto ko, bounce ka muna dito. Okay, so yan yung video niya. Sinabi natin dyan sa video na yan na expected natin na magpapahinga yan. And yun na nga yung ginagawa. Gusto natin, again, mag-trend above 236 and then eventually retest mo yung 108,000 level. Okay? So, Doc, okay pa ba mag-invest sa BTC? For me, if 10 years ka mag-i-invest at i-invest mo yung money that you are willing to lose, then yes. Kung magpa-practice ka mag-trade and you are practicing with money that you are willing to lose, then yes. Okay? So yun lang guys, sana meron kayong natutunan. Dr. Momentum out.